Hello friends, today I'll show you how to make baguette with the spinach appetizer. Using ghee, first I'll cook the mushroom with little bit of salt and the black pepper. Now it's almost cooked. I will add a green onion. I'm taking just the white part and the spinach. Add black pepper, cinnamon and salt. Cook until it's done. Okay, now it's done. I will prepare the bread. I'm using baguette. And finally top it with goat cheese or feta cheese. It tastes amazing, delicious appetizer. I wish you will try it, and thank you for watching.